General Gorou of the Watatsumi Island Resistance ready and waiting. I've long heard of your sterling reputation, and I look forward to fighting our way to victory side by side.
My brain feels heavy like too much TV. It's weighing on me like a pound of concrete. I know he wants me, and that makes me happy. So why do I feel so weird? It's foggy in my head like clouds in a storm. The wind's picking up, I'm bolting my shit to the floor. But when I'm with him, my shit gets ignored. Is that why I feel so weird? I'm alone almost every night, and I don't know if I'm processing right. But my therapist says to just let light be light, so I'm letting him stay around. I think that he's good for me, this boy that I found. I don't like getting attached. It makes me feel like I've done something bad, 'cause I'm not dependent, and I know that. So why am I scared? I'm reliving that part of my past. I'm alone almost every night, and I don't know if I'm processing right. But my therapist says to just let light be light, so I'm letting him stay around. I think that he's good for me, this boy that I found. Oh, I think that he's good for me, this boy that I found. Is this what it's supposed to feel like? 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 'Cause I'm alone almost every night, and I don't know if I'm processing right. But my therapist says to just let light be light, so I'm letting him stay around. I think that he's good for me, this boy that I found. This boy that I found.
The sun is up and it's time to train. Shall we go climb a mountain?
I could cross the mountains and the oceans, caught in wanderlust, just proving my devotion. It still won't be enough. I could turn off all the stars for you, then light them up. It wouldn't do you justice. How I'm with you is beyond me, and for the life of me I can't see how I deserve you. Deserve you. There's no one else I'll ever be with, and I will never know what I did to deserve you. I could write 100 different poems under candlelight, pour my beating heart out into every line. But words don't know the way that you look in my eyes. They'll never know the feeling. How I'm with you is beyond me, and for the life of me I can't see how I deserve you. Deserve you. No one else will ever come close. You were all the things I love most. lost? What did I do to deserve you? If I tried to tell you, you'd make fun of me. So this note will stay somewhere tucked away for my eyes only. How I'm with you is beyond me, and for the life of me I can't see how I deserve you, deserve you. There's no one else I'll ever be with, and I will never know what I did to deserve you. Da, da, da.
The troops seem to picture me as someone of extraordinary abilities. I think it might be because of our streak of victories lately. Now, they always come to me for advice on even the most trivial matters. When I see the expectant look in their eyes, it's impossible for me to turn away. But at the same time, my strategic ability is limited. All I can do is give some general pointers, or failing that, respond based on my gut feeling alone. I just hope I'm not letting them down.
I wish I could remember what it feels like to touch your skin, and what your voice sounds like in person. I know FaceTime can distort it, and I miss it. I wish I'd fall asleep with you, but I just wear the clothes you left. And I hope just for a second I could have you without knowing that you're leaving. And I'm sick of kissing you in my head. Oh baby, tell me, when can it be real instead? 'Cause I would do anything to be close to you again. And it's hard being here half empty when somewhere different is my favorite part of me. If I could just hold you for real, that's the only thing I'll need. Baby, that's all I need. Just to have you if you're here or not. But it's hard to comprehend the amount that I would give to have you in my arms, just in my arms. And I'm sick of kissing you in my head. Oh baby, tell me, when can it be real instead? 'Cause I would do anything to be close to you again. And it's hard being here half empty when somewhere different is my favorite part of me. If I could just hold you for real, that's the only thing I'll need. Baby, that's all I need. That's all I need. All I need. I'm so sick of kissing you in my head, and I'm scared that I'm starting to forget what it feels like to have you right here with me. To not wish days away, I know that's bad for me. And it's hard being here half empty when somewhere different is my If I could just hold you for real, that's the only thing I'll need. Baby, that's all I need. That's all I need. Baby, that's all I need. Baby, that's all I need.
It'd be nice to just lie in the sun. But I must set an example for the others.
Baby, when you sleep, do you dream of me? And when you're awake, do you think of me? I need to know, how do you feel? 'Cause baby, when I sleep, I dream of you. And when I'm awake, that's all I do. Think about every detail you have. Do you notice when I get mad, I clench my jaw? Do you notice when I get sad, I tend to fall over my words I say to you? 'Cause I notice when you get mad, you close your eyes. And I notice when you are sad, you let out sighs. I need to know, are those sighs ever over me? Do you know how in love with you I am? Do you see how in love with you I am? Everything that you do, it makes my heart stop. Oh, it stops. Baby, when you sleep, do you dream of me?
We train together, eat together, and relax together. There's no better way to strengthen communication and build tacit understanding between everyone on the team. In the heat of battle, just a simple glance can transmit crucial information. And... You don't think it's very appropriate? Huh. Well, I mean, that's how the troops and I have been bonding as a team.
When it rains, it pours, but you didn't even notice. It ain't raining anymore. It's hard to breathe when all you know is the struggle of staying above the rising water lines. Well, the sky is finally open, the rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella, but darling, I'm just trying to tell ya that there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head. If you could see what I see, you'd be blinded by the colors, yellow, red, and orange and green, and at least a million others. So tie up the boat, take off your coat, and take a look around. Well, the sky is finally open, the rain and wind stop blowing, but you're stuck out in the same old storm again. You hold tight to your umbrella, but darling, I'm just trying to tell ya that there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head. the cold and take a look around. Everything is alright now.
The troops have come up with a nickname for me, the ever-victorious pointy-eared general. Now there's even a rumor going around saying that if you want top dog Gorou's victorious luck, give his pointy ears a rub. There will be no rubbing of my ears, and that's final! If they think they can smile their way into persuading me otherwise, well, they've got another thing coming. Hey, what are you doing? Not you too. Come on now, I thought...
I love you too much to say, more than the nights, more than the day. I love just who you are, it's true. I love the way she say my name. It means so much more. It means all the same. All of my life, it's been all for you. And I love your hands held close to mine, the way that our fingers all intertwine. I love your hair and I love those shoes. Your eyes, the way that they close, and tears roll down your cheeks and over your nose. I love your lips, the way that they move, saying I love you too.
I've heard that there's a mountain range in Lima that reaches all the way up into the clouds. I'd relish a chance to go climbing there. If there's anything ever troubling you, don't keep it all muzzled up inside. You can always speak your mind with me. Although I can't guarantee that I'll always have an answer, I'll certainly offer you my best advice. Even when I can't muster much of a response, you can always count on me to be a good listener. Whatever it is, I'm all ears.
Wrote a letter to the mountains. They never wrote me back. I love the sky so fiercely. Still the thunder cracks. Gave flowers to the ocean. Still my heart was blue. Of all the things I've loved, my darling, the best by far is you.
We can make a bonfire on the beach and catch some fresh fish and crabs. Oh, I'll personally prepare a morale-boosting meal that would make even the highest-ranking generals jealous.
I wish so hard that I could fly. My wings just weighed me down. I dreamed that I could be a boat, but I sailed too far and drowned. And though I wished and longed for these dreams to all come true, of all the things I've wanted, lover, what I want most is black and cracked. Missed trains and planes to get to places I might never go back. I lost my mind along the way. Sounds wild, but it's true. Of all the things I've lost, honey, what I miss most is you.
I'm afraid that most of my days have been spent on the battlefield, so there's not much to tell about me. But if you'd really like to hear my stories, I'm happy to sit down and tell you everything.
I miss you when I least expect it. I miss the way you feel on my lips. And I don't know when I'll see you again. I miss you when I least expect it. So when are you coming home? When are you coming home? Feelings are fleeting, but now I'm surrounded. Visions of you straight into the side of my head. And as I sleep on the other side of the country, I wonder how it feels to be safe in the palm of your hand. And I just wanna go home, home. I just wanna go home, home. I don't take spoonfuls of romanticism in my tea, but this is not a love song, it's my truth I have to speak. Oh, you are so important to me, and I won't let you go. I won't let you go. 'Cause wherever you are is home, home.
rid the land of such evil, I will finally be able to peacefully lay down my weapon. Only then will I trade my uniform for civilian attire and finally stroll the beautiful landscape of Watatsumi Island together with you.